Hi, I'm Dr. Sonam Tiwari. So, if you're wondering how to manage labor pain effectively and safely, you're in the right place. So, today I'll be guiding you across 3 proven techniques which, when combined together, can really ease your labor pain. So, firstly, the gold standard is epidural anesthesia. In this, there's a small prick or anesthesia which is given through a syringe needle in the lower back, which basically numbs your lower extremities. In this, you are still awake, alert, and you feel the pressure, but the pain is considerably less. The second thing is birthing in water, hot water, or TENS technique. So basically, the hot water, it relaxes the muscles, it reduces the pain, and in TENS, it's basically, we give the small impulses or pulses on your muscles, which basically reduces the sensation of pain. So all these, when you combine with mindful breathing, can actually amplify the comfort. Thirdly is purposeful movement. Now this could be when you sway your pelvis from side to side, or use a ball like a yoga ball or bouncing ball, or you can also go like hand and knees position. Basically try changing your position so that you know that which is a comfortable one for you. So when you actually combine all these 3 techniques, that is epidural anesthesia, TENS, or birthing water, pool, or changing position or movements, in between your contractions, you would know what fits best for you, because every woman's labor pain or pregnancy experience is going to be very different. So try moving or trying different things in between your contractions to see which serves the best for you. So if you like this information, please comment which is the first thing that you would be wanting to try, and subscribe for more expert tips. Women's health matters.